Hey, what's up guys? So today I have a new product. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. So today I have with me is a Van der Hagen double edge stainless steel razor blades. It comes in a little small box like this. They usually go for $4 to $5 at your local Walmart. I will have a description where to buy. I can say these are far the best ones that I have tried, just for a simple fact that I shave one day, I decide to use it again a week later or 3 days later because the blade is still good and it did not rust. Usually the derby ones, straight razors, they usually rust on me when I leave them. So I wanted to try with these and I left it and boy, it was not rusty and it was still sharp. So I do recommend these. These are very good. These are made in Germany, but they are packed in USA. So a nice little small box, just like this. And you can see right here, it says it packed in USA, but blades are made in Germany. Very nice blades. So I usually use these blades for straight razors, and I will show you at the end of the video how sharp it is and how clean it cuts. So it comes in a nice little package like this, 5 blades. If you're using it as a straight blade, you can get 10 out of this and it lasts you quite a long time. Or if you're going to use the blade just like this, you got 5 of them. So it's up to you how will you use them. So if you're going to use them as a straight razor, you're going to slide that out, of course, because that's just the top package. Now you have this one right here. These are your razor blades. Nice clear package almost. To use them as straight blades, you will grab them and bend them in half. They will snap and you will take them out and put it on your straight blades, which I will show you in the end of this video. Be very careful because it's very, very sharp. The blade looks just like this. Van der Hagen, made in Germany. It is very sharp and love it that it's stainless steel. Well, let me show you how smooth it cuts and you pick it if you like it. Check it out. Okay, so this is my straight blade right here. That slides out. This is where you put your blade. Put your blade just like this. Van den Hager. Slide it in. Be careful, making sure that it was set in. This is the blade. This is how it closes. When it's closed, open it. Very nice. Okay, so I usually put a lot of conditioner. Put it everywhere because the conditioner make your hair softer. So I make sure I put enough. Rub it on, rub it on. Just like that. Let me wash my hands so it won't be slippery. Okay, so this is the blade. You can see the name right there. Van der Hagen. Just be careful, that is sharp. Okay, so you're gonna see how smooth this slice. Look at that. Look at that. Smooth, no issue at all. Just make sure you stretch your skin and shave it just like that. Look at that. Very, very good blade. Very good blade. And the good thing about this blade, it is stainless steel, so it won't rust. Look at that. Nice. Nice, nice. Awesome. Well, if you have any question at all, comment below, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.